In today's video, I am going to teach you how to extract data from a picture or screenshot in Excel. Sometimes you find information in a screenshot, or you have a picture of a table, and you want to use that information inside Excel. Instead of retyping everything by hand, you can paste the screenshot into your worksheet and then work with it as data. To begin, you will paste the image directly into an active spreadsheet. First, press Ctrl+V to paste your screenshot directly onto your active worksheet. Before you do this, make sure you have already copied or saved the screenshot to your clipboard. Then switch back to Excel and choose the worksheet where you want the picture to appear. When you press Ctrl+V, Excel will place the pasted picture on the sheet. You might notice that the image can appear wherever Excel determines the best placement, often near the cursor or near the last active area. This is normal. The important part is that the screenshot is now visible on your worksheet, so you can interact with it. After the screenshot is pasted, take a moment to look at the picture on the screen. Confirm that the content you need is clearly visible. If the image is slightly cut off or hard to read, you can still continue, but it helps to ensure you have the full table or the important portion in view. Also, check that the worksheet is ready for your next action. You want to be certain that the image is part of the worksheet, not floating somewhere you cannot select. Now you are ready to select the picture, which is the key step that lets Excel treat it as the object you want to work with. Click the pasted picture to select it. Once you click it, you should see selection handles or a highlighted border around the image, depending on your version of Excel. That selection state is how Excel knows which picture you intend to use for extracting information. If you do not see the selection outline, try clicking the image again more carefully. You want to ensure that the picture is fully selected. This matters because many Excel tools rely on the currently selected object. If you accidentally click on a cell instead of the picture, you may end up with Excel preparing to work on the cell rather than the screenshot. So when you click, watch for that visual confirmation that the image itself is selected. That is your signal that the next operations will apply to the screenshot you just pasted. Once the picture is selected, you have successfully completed the setup portion of the process. At this point, Excel can recognize that you are working with an image, and you can move forward with extracting the data in later steps. For now, focus only on making sure the screenshot is pasted into the worksheet and that it is selected. These two actions are the foundation for everything that comes next, because they bring the image into Excel and make it active for whatever extraction method you use. And that covers everything you need to know for these initial steps, and that is all there is to it.